So they're mutually exclusive. So for example, a king and an ace. The card cannot be both a king and an ace. So the Venn diagram for mutually exclusive, the circles do not overlap. So you have the ace and the king. All right? 4 aces, 4 kings. Mutually inclusive means the card could be both. So it could be an ace and it could be a heart. Okay? So you could have one ace that's a heart. So there's some sort of intersection for inclusive, okay? Does that make sense? Any questions? The probability of a king and an ace. Or what do I put instead of a plus?
The plus king and is or.
Union is the probability of a king and the probability of an ace. Okay? So that's for mutually exclusive, you just add them together. So it looks like, you know, the 2 circles all coloured in ace, king and ace. Or 4 out of how many cards in a deck?
52.
And how do this one? The probability of an ace or a heart. Okay, now we have 2 circles overlapping. So we have the probability of an ace plus the probability of a heart minus the probability of an ace and a heart. I'll show you what it means visually. This one here is the whole heart ace circle highlighted. This is the whole heart circle highlighted. This is minusing the whole, where's the middle bit highlighted. So we can't have the middle bit twice, you have to minus it away. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
What's the probability of a heart minus the probability of an ace, so 1 out of 52. Sorry, the probability of an ace and a heart. There's only one card that has that. So 16 out of 52, and this is 8 out of 52.
Start of the king and the ace. Or are we doing or?
Union is or. So it means, union means all of the circles coloured. And means only the intersection coloured.
Oh, okay, right.
Yeah, because it's and. It has to be an ace and a heart.
Yes.
Yep. Where or is ace or a heart. drawing an ace. Alright? We also have the complement of that, so not drawing an ace, which is given by a dash. Drawing a heart, and the complement not drawing a heart. So this is how a two-way table works. Each box is like an intersection of the two events. So how many cards are there that are both an ace and a heart? How many cards in a deck of 52 that are both an ace and a heart? There's one. How many cards are an ace but not a heart? How many cards are a heart but not an ace? Yep, there's 13 hearts, 12 of them are not aces. How many cards are not an ace and not a heart? So there's four aces.
Yeah, I didn't write the lines outside yet.
So there's
Minus
52 minus 4 is 48. But one of those was a heart. So then we take another 12 cards. Yep. So that's 36. Does that make sense?
100%.
So now, so these numbers represent, have you seen this before? N of A dash. So that represents the number of A dash. Okay? So this, we add the rows together, so that's 13. Alright, so there's 13 hearts. We add these, there's 4 aces. There's 39 non-hearts, and there's 48 non-aces. Then we add these together, and how many do we get? Okay, so this is the number. Remember that weird E with the... What does that represent again?
Universal set.
The universal set, very good. Okay, so that's a two-way table. It's just kind of another way of doing the Venn diagram.